Hi everyone, this is Lynne-Marie from Lynne-Marie Designs at thelilypad.com. I just printed out my Reminisce printable kit, the gratitude journal, and I thought I'd give you a sneak peek at what it looks like. The first two pages here were printed single-sided because they're going to be cut out and glued down, so we don't need to see the other side. But all the others I printed this texture on the back just to give it a little more interest. So we've got 1, 2, this is an envelope, 3, 4, 5 pages, and then there's that texture again, and this is the cover. So it would actually be, that would be like the front panel, the middle panel, and the back. It's going to be a trifold. So this is just the printed version so far. I'm going to be cutting all of this out and assembling it and showing you what you can do with it. I can't wait to show you.